everybody. Robbie.
Good morning. Leave and top court. Senator Yuni Cosine. Palakpakan mo kayo.
Good morning, everyone. Morning. Welcome to the United School. We're very happy to have you here, and I hope that it becomes a very important chatting stop every year. I'm very inspired by the fact that
And seriously, I would say that I'm very much privileged and honored that the Diliman Prep has offered us a venue